Nuer Tube or Shati in thok nath. Today we are going to learn these phrases. We are going to translate these English phrases into thok nath or Nuer language. Okay, so let's start it. Your husband showed. Your husband showed. Your wife shaked. Your wife shaked. His wife shaked. His wife shaked. Her husband showed. Her husband showed. My husband showed. My husband showed. My wife shaked. My wife shaked. My girlfriend Mazda. My boyfriend Mazda. My friends Masnika. Okay. Your husband show do. Your husband show do. Your alone mean you, or it just indicate la ludanije. Your do. Husband show. Husband. Your husband mean show do in thok nath. Your wife mean shake. Your wife shake do. Your wife shake do. His wife shake de. Is indicate de in thok nath. His wife shake de. Katung nuari ala isa raja ke kui uda. Okay. Shake de. Her husband mishi shinen shode. Me raja ke kui shake kui nyal shode. My husband showed mishi wa my chira ke ha raja ke da la raja ke ji. My husband showed. My wife shaked. La do na me shaked. My girlfriend Mazda. My girlfriend Mazda. De larbono gora. You can say that gora. My girlfriend Mazda ki gora. My boyfriend mean Mazda ki gora ba. This mean the same thing. Okay, Mazda ki gora. My friends Masnika. My friends Masnika. This is plural, and this one is also plural. Lana ma raja katung one Masnika. Me ram kel da mes don't my friend. La mes da de lar no. We katung one name Masnika. My friend Masnika. Please try to share and do not forget to follow or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.